Why most people never build real wealth. Have you ever wondered why most people never build real wealth? They work hard. They earn money. They dream of a better future. Yet years go by, and very little changes. Meanwhile, others seem to move steadily toward financial freedom. The difference is rarely luck. And it is rarely intelligence. More often, it comes down to habits. Most people focus on earning money. Wealthy people focus on building assets. Most people spend first and save what is left. Wealthy people save and invest first, then spend what remains. That small difference changes everything. The truth is that wealth is not created overnight. It is built slowly through consistent actions repeated over time. Think about a seed planted in the ground. For weeks, nothing appears to happen. But beneath the surface, roots are growing. Financial success works the same way. At first, progress is invisible. Many people quit during this stage. They become impatient. They expect fast results. And when they don't see them, they give up. But those who succeed understand something important. Small actions become big results when given enough time. $1 invested today may seem insignificant. A book read today may seem unimportant. A new skill learned today may not immediately change your life. But over the years, these small decisions begin to compound. That is how wealth is built. Not through one giant opportunity, but through hundreds of smart decisions. Another reason most people never build wealth is lifestyle inflation. Every time income increases, spending increases too. A raise comes. Expenses grow. A bonus arrives. Lifestyle expands. The cycle never ends. The problem is not how much money people make. The problem is how much money they keep. Real wealth is not what you earn. Real wealth is what you own. It is what continues working even when you are not. The wealthy understand this principle. They invest in assets. They buy things that grow in value. They create systems that generate income over time. Instead of making money the goal, they make ownership the goal. And ownership creates freedom. But there is another obstacle that holds many people back. Comfort. Comfort feels safe. Comfort feels familiar. But comfort often keeps people exactly where they are. Growth requires learning. Growth requires effort. Growth requires change. The people who build wealth never stop improving themselves. They read. They study. They learn new skills. They adapt to new opportunities. They understand that increasing their value increases their potential income. Knowledge is one of the greatest investments anyone can make. Unlike money, knowledge cannot be taken away. Every lesson learned becomes a tool for the future. And the more prepared you become, the more opportunities you begin to see. Of course, the journey is not always easy. Every successful person faces setbacks. Mistakes happen. Investments fail. Plans go wrong. Unexpected challenges appear. The difference is that successful people keep moving forward. They learn from failure instead of being defeated by it. They understand that setbacks are temporary. Quitting is permanent. And perhaps that is the biggest reason why most people never build real wealth. They quit too soon. They stop before the results arrive. They abandon the process before the rewards become visible. Imagine planting a seed and expecting a tree the next morning. It sounds ridiculous. Yet many people expect wealth to work that way. They want immediate success, immediate results, immediate rewards. But wealth rewards patience. The people who achieve financial freedom think differently. They think in years, not days. They think in decades, not months. They focus on the process rather than the outcome. And over time, something incredible happens. Their savings grow. Their investments grow. Their confidence grows. Their opportunities grow. Eventually, the small seed becomes a mighty tree. What once seemed impossible becomes reality. And when they look back, they realize that success was never created by one big moment. It was created by countless small decisions made consistently. The greatest reward is not money itself. It is freedom. Freedom to choose how you spend your time. Freedom to help the people you love. Freedom to live life on your own terms. That freedom is available to anyone willing to stay patient, disciplined, and committed. So if your progress feels slow today, do not be discouraged. Keep learning. Keep saving. Keep investing. Keep growing. Because every great fortune started small. Every successful investor was once a beginner. And every wealthy person once stood exactly where you are now. Remember this. Most people never build real wealth because they stop too early. Don't stop. Stay consistent. Trust the process. And one day, you may look back and realize that the small choices you made today created the prosperous future you once only dreamed about. Build patiently. Grow consistently. Prosper permanently.